Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is the end of the 4-part series of how to create fast food from home. And I'm really excited for this because it means I get to do more exciting videos and move on to something new. So today's video is how to make Chinese takeaway at home. And this is, like I mentioned before, this is the 4th video that I'm doing. So I've done 3 more videos, and the first one is how to create Big Mac from home. The second video is how to create homemade Nando's, and my third video was how to create KFC from home. So like I said, this is the 4th video, so if you haven't checked out the other videos, go ahead over to my channel where you can see the other 3 videos. And so those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you'd like to support me, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner of this screen. At the end of this video, I will announce a winner, and the winner of the best taste and the best looking food that I've made. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's time to relax and unwind. So let's get cooking. So that's it for today, and this is the end of my 4-part series on how to create fast food at home. So the winner is KFC! KFC was incredible. The barbecue beans were incredible. They were really a great complement to the chicken. They went really well, and so did the creamy mash. I love mash, so the smooth creamy mash was awesome. The chicken was fried to perfection, and it was still juicy on the inside and not dry. So that's why I would have to say KFC was the winner. Anyway, this is the end of the How to Create Fast Food from Home series, and I'll see you in the next video. And the next video will be a bit of a surprise, but I think you guys will enjoy it. So see you guys next weekend.